Away from her job in a baked potato shop, 24-year-old Amelia is hoping to find her sweet mash.
Romance for me is more when the person remembers little things about you. For example, they don't have to buy me a lot of things or anything, but if they remember my favourite, I don't know, cake or something like this, and one day bring it back when I've had a bad day at work, that's kind of my romance.
Talent agent James is hoping to spot potential in the dating scene.
Hey there, you alright? Hi, nice to meet you. I'm James.
Amelia, nice to meet you.
I would say I'm quite vain, so I'll spend a lot of time looking in the mirror and sort of making sure I look right before I go out, a little bit of confidence building. But in general, I just try to keep myself chilled and relaxed so that it's not too much of a big deal. I think people can overthink it. But you know, how's everything going?
Good. I was a little bit nervous waiting, but...
This guy's going to take care of us. Yeah, no, what would you like?
I already have.
You're already set? I'll go for the exact same, please. Yeah, thank you.
I work in a baked potato shop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can't stand baked potatoes, which is terrible.
Oh.
That's awful. No, well, I'm Essex way, but no silly fake tan or silly voice. I'm really posh southerner. My posh voice literally lets me down all the time.
No, it's not that bad. Come on.
No. You don't hate me yet for my voice?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. That's yeah. I've got a couple of hours, I'm sure we'll be fine. I mean, I use the environment around me, so I'd normally just try to find something to actually start a conversation. I always find a really white bar really weird. The whole